Babe! Come back, please!
Daddy! Please stop!
Back off! You don't get anything at all!
That's enough! I can't handle this anymore! Seriously, I wish you were gone instead of Mommy!
Am I going crazy? Sweetie? I'm really sorry. Dina, I'm sorry!
Why did Dad fail on me like this? I haven't had a single bite since Mom was gone. What? What the heck is going on here? I want Mom's delicious pie, not this bull crap! What? I don't get it. Is this some sort of magic? Mom's pie. How can that even be possible?
Hey there!
What are you?
I'm a magical wish JoyStick.
What does all this even mean?
Well, I can grant you 5 wishes. All you gotta do is press this small button right here.
Wait, hold up. I can wish for anything?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously, I've got only one wish. I want to bring back my mom.
Unfortunately, I can't bring back someone who's no longer with us.
Well then, you're just another useless thing!
Just hold on!
Nikki, I think I've gone crazy. I saw your mom's ghost.
You're just running a fever. Go get yourself checked if you're feeling sick.
Sweetie, please don't leave. Stay with me. I need you.
I needed you when I was pleading with you that much!
Nikki! I'm sorry.
Oh no, not this! You can't leave our daughter right now! Get up!
Nikki, this is for you. I've totally missed your awesome mood.
Thank you for always being by my side and for being there for me.
Drink will be mine anyway. You'll see. You annoy me so much. Cover your face, you beggar!
You've lost your mind! You're crazy!
Mind your own business, idiot!
Give it here!
No! Don't do it!
Oh, so much better.
Why are you all treating me like this?
Someone like you should be groveling at my feet.
And the final touch.
What is this doing here?
Nikki, I can easily take care of those bullies. Just make a wish.
You're the real monsters here. Definitely not me.
Wait, what? Zara and Honey, what's happening to them?
What are you talking about? Forget about them. Oh, let's go to class.
gotta call Nikki. What's happening to me? Why can't I feel my legs? Nikki, please pick up the phone. I need you.
Dang, Dad, I have class.
Today, you're going to be taking a test.
Today we have a test, and I haven't even studied for it. Right. This joystick has to save me. I just want to chill, not take this freaking test.
What the heck is this?
Forget about the tests. Everyone gets an A. Let's party.
This is the best day at school!
I saw you make a wish, and when you pressed the button, it came true.
What? I don't get what you're talking about. You must be imagining things or something.
What? You don't trust me? I never thought you'd keep secrets from me.
The situation is critical. You can't feel your hands. I don't know what this illness is. Doctor, please could you contact my daughter? I gotta talk to her right now. The nurse is trying to call, but your daughter is not answering. My Nikki, she can't lose me too.
Hold up! I don't have time for you right now. Drake, stop!
Well, you didn't want to talk earlier, and now it's too late.
Well, this joystick is, like, magical. It grants any wish. Well, almost any wish.
Magical, huh?
Yeah. Want me to make a wish for you? And you can forgive me.
Well, okay. I want a cool car I dreamed of in my childhood. What the heck?
I couldn't resist! That prank was worth his scared face!
Not funny. It was just an innocent joke. Fix everything now.
Fine! You guys are so boring! Is this better?
Choose any over there.
I want them all.
No problem. I'm gonna make a wish right now. What now? What's wrong with you? What do you mean Dad's in the hospital?
What? No! My toy cars! Come back and make a wish for me!
Daddy, no! Please don't leave me! Don't leave me just like Mom! Daddy, no!
Young lady, calm down. Your dad is just sleeping.
Sleeping? So everything will be okay with him? Tell me that everything will be okay with him!
I don't know what's wrong with your dad and how to help him.
What? What kind of doctor are you? How could this even happen?
The only thing I can wish you is patience.
I wish my daddy is healthy again.
Unfortunately, that's impossible. I can't help you with that.
But why not?
His legs and arms gave out after your 2 wishes, Nikki. That's the price for them.
No! I don't need any of those wishes! I don't need anything at all! Just not like this! Yeah, I gotta sort this all out. Drake will definitely help me. He won't bail on me. Why aren't you answering? Oh, Sky, please pick up the phone. Seriously, need your support. Why is nobody answering?
It's because of you I became a ghost! Ugh!
Don't make a fuss. You became a ghost because your husband made 4 wishes.
I can't move on!
You seriously can't even try. This grid holds the ghost back.
Don't you dare touch my wife!
Oh, you're awake now. Big great news. How does it feel? Well, now, Justin, you know how your beloved Dina felt when she paid off all of your wishes, Justin.
This is all because of you! Who has the joystick now, Nikki?
Yes, and it's your fault. Should have made one more wish, then this wouldn't have happened. Coward!
No, I won't let you ruin my daughter's life! Not even dream of it!
Oh, just quit it. Being in the hospital isn't that bad. Embrace it and enjoy your life.
You won't make Nikki make 5 wishes!
Oh, I won't. But she will want to make them herself. What? The traitor!
Let me go! You're definitely crazy!
I don't get it! Why at all? Why did you betray me?
Because you're selfish and only think about yourself.
What are you talking about?
Drake and I have been in love with each other for a long time. We wanted to tell you, but Drake felt sorry for you. Because you always suffer, poor thing, and lost your mom.
I hate you all! You pathetic idiot! I'm gonna destroy everything associated with you! And I'm definitely gonna destroy you! I need to retrieve the magic joystick!
Have you called? I heard everything, and I can do it!
Yes, I do have a wish! I want... But I can't do this. I can't make things even worse for my dad.
Oh, Nikki, come on! He will just have a little worse eyesight. And diction!
I trusted them so much!
I can make them disappear, not only from your photos, but from your life, too!
No, that seems too easy. I want them to suffer a lot. Let them stick together like chewing gum in the scorching sun if they want to be all lovey-dovey.
I definitely like this idea much more! that's a wrap. Want to check out what your buddies have become now?
Yeah. What's this? What have you done?
They're wonderful. Now they're united as one. Say they're cool.
Nikki, turn us back immediately.
I'm sorry. Please help us.
Get away, you degenerates! Who allowed you to touch Nikki with your dirty, filthy hands?
What have I freaking done? Stupid, stupid, stupid!
There! That's the monster! Grab him now! Wake up, you coward! The monster will escape right now!
Oh no! What about my daddy? I gotta visit him right away!
Damn!
This is so hilarious, right? Nikki shouldn't find out what happened to Justin. That really silly girl should make 5 wishes. And then I will be free!
Daddy! I'm sorry! What have I done? How could I mess things up like this? Dad? Dad, can you hear me? I'll fix everything, I swear!
Why are you crying? You should be happy. Now you can seriously do whatever you want. You said you didn't need a father, remember?
No, that's not what I meant! It wasn't all that serious! I never truly wanted that, for real!
Oh, you are an even bigger crybaby than your father!
So you tricked me, and I know exactly what I'm gonna do about it!
No! Don't do that! Anything but that! Ask for anything else, but don't touch him! Money! Nikki, I can make you incredibly rich!
I don't need your money!
No! Don't do that! Then I can turn your life into a fairy tale! And you can become a real princess! Want that?
I am not interested in that!
Mom! I'll bring your mom back! I can't watch!
Mom, is it you? Is it really you?
Well, she can come back. Just make a wish. Don't worry about him. He won't be worse off. But we can bring your mom back. You just need to press this little button.
I yearn to have my mommy by my side again.
Your mom is already home, waiting for you. Now run to her.
Oh, no way! The patient slipped into a coma.
Ow. I can't believe it. I gotta go home to my mom. Mom will figure something out. Mommy?
Mommy?
Mom, I'm so freaking glad! I missed you like crazy!
What is this? Is it water coming from your eyes?
You're not her! You're not my mom! You fooled me again! This ain't my mom!
This robot is an exact copy of your mother. She will love you and take care of you. Just like you wanted, Nikki.
I wish for you to bring back my real mom, not this stupid doll! Ugh, I'm gonna destroy you!
Oh no! I will not allow that! Stop your your tantrum, you snotty brat! Nikki, just come up with and make your final wish!
I ain't never making a final wish! Hear that, you monster!
You have seriously made me mad! You're gonna pay for this!
Where the heck are you dragging me?
Look!
Where did she disappear?
In her place could be your father if you do not obey me!
I ain't gonna surrender to you! I definitely won't give up! Yes! I got it!
You disobedient girl! Take care of your daughter's upbringing!
Yes, Miss Brittany.
I'll come to you in the evening! Make your final wish then!
No! Please let me go! Ah! How could this happen? And why?
My dear, are you trembling? Are you cold? Maybe you're a bit hungry.
I gotta figure out a plan to get rid of this robot. Oh, I ain't hungry, but I'm so stoked you're back home with me. I'd love to bake a cake for you.
A cake? I will gladly accept such a kind gift from my sweetest daughter.
This one's gonna be the ultimate gift in your robotic life.
It's just perfect.
Did it actually work? Yes! Yippee! Farewell, dumb robot! Oh, I gotta hurry. Brittany's gonna show up soon. Daddy, what happened in here? Why did you turn into a ghost now? Come back to your body, please, I beg you!
After the fourth wish, I became a ghost just like your mom. When I made the wish.
No, I don't believe it! It's all Brittany's fault! She's to blame for all of this!
Nikki, listen to me carefully. To prevent it from happening, under no circumstances can you make a final wish.
No, I don't believe it! I'm gonna fix everything! I'm gonna find the right way to bring your soul back to your body!
Just be careful.
But first, I gotta hide you so that Brittany doesn't trap you in the magic joystick.
What are you planning?
Just trust me. I hope this actually works. And you're much heavier than I thought. Oops.
Well, excuse me. Security! Oh! Nikki, I believe you can do it. You'll destroy the joystick.
Stay here for now. Oops. Yes. Oops. Not like that. There we go. She's definitely not gonna think of searching for you in the closet. All right. Now I gotta move on to my genius plan. Time's ticking away. I need the most extreme firecrackers. That should definitely stop her. Wow, that was fast. Now I understand the trick. Thank you for your promptness.
We were happy to help.
Yes, time is almost up.
Nikki, hello! Where are you? You can't hide from me!
Take this, stupid android!
Silly little brat! Did you really believe that that would work on me? Come to me! It's now time to make your final wish!
Only in your wildest dreams, witch!
You can seriously run forever! But it will definitely not help you!
First, catch me if you can! I've definitely got you!
Your little fantasies will never come true!
Whoa! Where the heck are we?
We're in my world, Nikki! Inside the JoyStick!
Perfect. Then I'll wreck it from the inside!
You're so foolish! It won't be that easy to destroy it! Listen carefully. You've only got one way out. Just make your last wish! And just press the button.
I just wanted to fix everything. To turn back time and make things right again. I wish I could rewind it all. But you can't grant that wish, can you?
No, I totally can't. But Nikki, if you had the same limitless powers as me, you could definitely fix everything. Oh!
My wish is to get powers like Britney's.
You are such a loser, Nikki! You fell right into my trap! And now, I'm finally free!
No! What does this all mean? Dad, Mom, I finally did it! I saved us!
Sweetie, I'm so sorry. You're dead wrong.
I'm so sorry, Nikki. It's all my fault. If I hadn't found this joystick first, none of this would have happened.
I don't get it. What are you talking about?
My dear, you have a tough mission, but I believe in you. You can do it.
I am truly sorry.
So the joystick wasn't destroyed? Why is it still intact? Huh? Mommy? Daddy?
Now you have to also grant 5 wishes to become human again! Good luck!
How this work of teaching is boring me! And where did this come from? Whoa.
Hello, everyone! Are you ready for a new prank? Well, then let's go! Now, let's see who among our guys is the strongest. These 2 buckets actually have nothing in them. I can easily lift them, even with my eyes closed. But these ones have heavy stones. Give it a try and lift them.
I don't think anyone can lift them.
Okay, everyone hide.
Okay.
Drake!
What do you want?
We need to bring these props on stage. Can you help?
No problem. How did you...
Come on, hurry up. They're waiting for us.
Yeah, Drake, let me help you. What a mess.
Seriously? Another prank? Yup.
Wow. So funny.
And now let's prank Justin. He's our strongest guy.
Zara, I haven't had time to eat. I know you need help. Let's do it quickly,
we
okay?
need to take these buckets to the second floor.
Second floor, okay.
Do you have them?
Wait.
What? Is it too heavy for you?
It's not too heavy for me. I see. Stones.
Loser!
Good prank. Really
But
got
you
me.
fell for it.
Yeah, I fell for it. Guys, who do you think I should prank next and how? Write in the comments. Funny. Really funny.
It's